Here at MSA Ford, we have the ultimate foundation for your business needs, the 2023 Ford Transit 350 HD low-roof chassis cab with all-wheel drive. This versatile workhorse is finished in a clean Oxford white and is powered by the formidable 3.5L Ecoboost V6 engine, paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission. Key features include the 11,000-pound gross vehicle weight rating package, a 3.73 limited slip axle, and a rear-view camera and prep kit. Book a test drive today at MSA Ford in the Fraser Valley Auto Mall right here in Abbotsford. Ready to build the exact work truck your Fraser Valley business demands? This Transit Chassis Cab is the perfect blank canvas, whether you're running deliveries through Abbotsford or managing a job site out in Mission. It's engineered to handle the task, with features like tow-haul mode with trailer wiring already installed. On those foggy valley mornings, the front fog lamps and wiper-activated headlamps provide extra visibility, while the long-arm power-heated mirrors keep your view clear. Plus, with standard cruise control, highway driving between jobs is a breeze. For comfort, you get durable ebony cloth seats in a 3-across configuration. A common question we get is, what makes this Transit a truly reliable partner for a demanding workday? This vehicle is equipped from the factory for hard work and safety. It features dual 70-amp-hour batteries to power all your auxiliary equipment, a vehicle maintenance monitor to help you stay on top of service, and a backup alarm for added safety on busy work sites. Standard safety includes advanced track with roll stability control and a secure lock anti-theft system. Inside, you'll even find a convenient front overhead shelf for extra storage. It's a solid, dependable base ready for any challenge. MSA Ford, serving the Fraser Valley for 75 years.